Hello guys, welcome to More Chris TV, and this is the sneezing prank. Sorry, give me a sec. Yeah.
It's a sign of maturity, sign of lightness.
Oh my god. Did I sneeze on you? I'm so sorry. I have this flu, I'm sorry. Sorry for sneezing on you, sorry. Yeah, okay, I'm just kidding. You guys on the prank, so you guys just got pranked. That was just water. The camera right there videoing all this. I was just checking out. No, it was this. It was this. It's a cool voice for a video. It's gonna be on YouTube. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Did I sneeze on you? My god, I'm so sorry. I will not do that again. I'm very sorry. Sorry about that. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, you guys, I'm on a prank show. This is camera recording all this. I'm just kidding. That was just water. That was you for you.
Hey, bro!
I'm so sorry. I have kata. Sorry about that. I'm very sorry. Did I touch you? Sorry, bros. I better no vex. Oh my god. I'm so sorry about that. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. I couldn't hold that. I'm very sorry. Sorry about that. I'm sorry. Sorry, don't be annoyed. I'm sorry. I have this flu. The doctor said if I do that on anybody, they might have it too. Sorry. I will never do that again. I'm sorry. Oh shit! Did I sneeze on you? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Sorry about it. I'm just kidding. It was just water. There's a camera right there videoing all this. Oh shit!
I will not say. Are you back now?
Okay, there's a camera, it's just a prank.
No.
Sorry, I'm sorry about that. Sorry. Sorry about that. I'm just kidding. You're on a prank show, it's just a video. There's a camera there video and it's just water. Jesus Christ, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have this flu, sorry. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about that, sorry. I don't have any anchor. I'll give you one. Sorry. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Okay, you guys on a prank show. There's a camera. There's just water. I'm just kidding. It wasn't really speed. It's just water. There's a camera. Thank you guys for watching that video. Please be sure to subscribe and like. Yeah, and drop a comment too. See you next time, guys.